Good day everyone, our topic for today's video is all about the programming structure and elements in C++. Certain elements are common to all programming languages. Language elements. All programming languages have a few things in common. The common elements you will find in almost every language. Common language elements are keywords, programmer-defined identifiers, operators, punctuation, syntax. Keywords. It is words that have a special meaning. Keywords may only be used for their intended purpose, which is called reserved words. Programmer-defined identifiers. It is a word or name defined by the programmer. They are symbolic names that refer to variables or programming routines. Operators. Operator perform operations on one or more operands. Punctuation. Punctuation characters that mark the beginning or end of a statement, or separate items in a list. Syntax. Rules that must be followed when constructing a program. For example, this program calculates employee salary. Keywords or reserved words. 3 of C++'s keywords appear on lines 3 and 5, using namespace and int. The word double, which appears on line 7, is also a C++ keyword. These words, which are always written in lowercase, each have a special meaning in C++, also known as reserve words, and cannot be used for other purposes. Take note, the hashtag include IAstream statement in line 2 is a preprocessor. In C++, keywords are written in all lowercase. Programmer-defined identifiers. The words hours, rate, and salary that appear in the program on lines 7, 11, 15, 18, and 21 are programmer-defined identifiers. They are not part of the C++ language, but rather are names made up by the programmer, and these are the names of variables. Operators. On line 18, the following code appears. Salary equals hours asterisk rate. The equals and asterisk symbols are both operators. Punctuation. Notice that lines 3, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15, 18, 21, and 22 all end with a semicolon. A semicolon in C++ is similar to a period in English. It marks the end of a complete sentence, or statement, as it is called in programming jargon. Semicolons do not appear at the end of every line in a C++ program, however. Lines and statements. A line is just that, a single line as it appears in the body of a program. Code listing is shown with each of its lines numbered. A statement is a complete instruction that causes the computer to perform some action. Here is the statement that appears in line 10 of code listing. Statements can be a combination of keywords, operators, and programmer-defined symbols. Statements often occupy only one line in a program, but sometimes they are spread out over more than one line. A variable is a named storage location in the computer's memory for holding a piece of information. Notice that in code listing, the words hours, rate, and salary appear in several places. All three of these are the names of variables. The hours variable is used to store the number of hours the user has worked. The rate variable stores the user's hourly pay rate. The salary variable holds the result of hours multiplied by rate, which is the user's gross pay. Variable definitions. In programming, there are two general types of data, numbers and characters. Numbers are used to performing mathematical operations, and characters are used to print data on the screen or on paper. Numeric data can be categorized even further. For instance, the following are all whole numbers or integers: 5, 7, 129, 32,154. The following are real or floating point numbers: 3.14159, 6.7, 1.0002. When creating a variable in a C++ program, you must know what type of data the program will be stored in it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.